Okay, in a previous video I demonstrated to you slicing some bacon using quite an expensive slicer really, and not everyone really wants to do that. So what I've got here is a great little tip to show you how you can get fantastic slices by just using a knife and a chopping board, and I want to show that to you now. But if you watch the video right through to the end, you'll see that I've got some fantastic tips for you towards the end of the video which will help you with your slicing and give you fantastic results consistently, so that you don't have to go out and spend lots of money on an expensive slicer. I hope you enjoy the video. We have the bacon fresh out of the freezer. It's been in there for a couple of hours, so it's reasonably firm but not too firm, and you can see I'm just cutting this manually by hand, just taking off the irregular edges first, and I'm working to a point where I can get a nice long slice. Now, because the bacon's nice and firm, you're getting a very clean cut, and you can see the bacon slices coming off really nicely there. It's not too hard. This is a very sharp knife. You do need a nice sharp knife. Now this bacon has got the rind on, which can make it a little bit difficult to cut. So sometimes when the rind is on the bacon and it's not that firm, it's quite difficult to cut through. So the slices I'm taking are around about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. They are slightly thicker than they would be on a mechanical slicer. That's just the trade-off that you have to accept when doing it by hand. You can get them thinner, but you always run the chance, if you do that, of not getting a very good or proper slice. So in order to get really nice straight slices, you can use this little trick with a chopping board placed on top of the bacon, and then you can just run the knife down the length of the chopping board. It just acts as a nice little guide so that you can get a really accurate and straight slice. Now this works really well if the bacon is nicely frozen. You can see now I'm getting to the point where the bacon is just softening up a little bit. The other advantage of this particular method is that your hand is not actually on the meat, so it's not warming it up. You've got this sort of insulation layer, which, you know, the chopping board is serving that purpose. Great little technique. Hope you like it, and we'll see you again on the next video. Don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, do subscribe to the channel, click that bell icon to get notifications when we upload some more content, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.